December 29, 1975. 50th. Exact date. Feeling blessed. Masaya at na-bless kami ng 50 years. Bihira kasi nakaka 50 years ang mag-asawa. Maraming hindi umaabot. So, blessed na blessed kami na naka 50 years.
Dalawang bumae lang ka. Tapos ang ako pa, isa bumae rin. Si Patricia, tapos si Rada. Yung nasa stage sa... Siya pala nga ang aming apo. Si... Ano na po namin? Julia.
Nagtitrip pag nagbibiyahe kami.
Sobra. Sa Europe, tapos sa Asia.
Ayun, medyo masaya. Yung sa family, yun kasi halos malimit kaming sa US at sa nagta-travel. Yun ang gustong-gusto niyang gawin. Bumibisita sa mga kamag-anak, sa anak sa States. Ganun.
Kaya po para sa isang okasyong katulad nito, kung saan umabot po sila ng 50 years, isang dakila pong privilege sa pari na ikay mag-celebrate ng kanilang pagkisa. So great at hindi po madalas sa isang pari to be given the privilege to celebrate 50 years of marriage.
Love you! Happy anniversary! Oh, you're here! Happy golden anniversary! You made it! Go for gold every year. Okay na. This is the gold year! This is the golden year. Daddy, Mommy! Thank you, Lord!
Well, I'm very blessed na nagkaroon kami ng mga dalawang anak na napaka-responsible, loving, and lumaki ng malapit sa Diyos. Lumaki na maano sa pamilya. Although iisang anak ni Rada, pero kita ko kung paano ko sila pinalaki. Ganun din nila pinalaki ang anak niya.
Sapagkat ang pag-aasawa po is a challenge of a lifetime. It is a promise that two people make. At ang pangako nila ay in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, and until death do us part.
Okay, life with her has been fruitful and very good. Outstanding in all events. She is my strength and my one and only. Honey, I love you.
We keeping on.
Roy, we have gone this far. Before, naka 50 years. Thank you at napagtyagaan mo ako. Thank you at napagtyagaan din kita. Thank God ang napagtyagaan din kita. although we have so many trials and difficulties, sabay nating napagdaanan na magkapuwang at magkatulong. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating, humaba pa ang ating buhay. Mahaba po.
This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time. This is our time.
And I ask Roy, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to Edith before God and this community?
Yes, I do.
Edith, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to Roy before God and this community?
Shadows below.
Yes, I
But oh man, we've made it to the highest heights singing. Oh mama, oh mama. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time.
More importantly, no matter how many years will be given by the Lord to you, my hope and my prayer is you will have those moments with joy.
Matatag talaga si Brother Roy, Sister Edith. I would witness na talaga yung kanilang pagmamahal is a gift from God.
To 50 years and beyond, nakikita ko lang sa kanila through the years, no, na yung it is a union between a prayerful husband and a sensitive and attentive wife.
Very simple persons lang po talaga yung parents ko. Ayaw nila mag-celebrate. Gusto lang nila kumain sa labas, ganyan. Pero sabi ko, hindi talaga. Gusto ko talaga mag-celebrate sila just to give back what they gave us during our 18th birthday.